MwananguTV.
Hi Shamwari, how are you today?
Okay, so I've got a question for you.
Yeah? How do you say mother in Shona? Oh, that's easy. My mother is Amai.
Amai.
My father is Baba. Baba. My brother is Budi.
Budi.
My sister is Sisi.
I like that.
That's my family. My family. My Fami Fami Family. That's my family. My family. My Fami Fami Family. My grandfather is Sekuru. My grandmother is Ambuya. My auntie is Tete. My uncle is also Sekuru.
That's so cool.
That's my family. My family. My Fami Fami Family. That's my family. My family. My Fami Fami Family. Baby is Mwana. Boy is Mukomana. Girl is Musikana. Man is Muru